I am getting ready for Saraswati Puja here in London, choosing my outfit, fixing my dupatta, and smiling at the mirror because even miles away from home, the feeling of Vasant Panchami feels the same. You might wonder, can we really celebrate Saraswati Puja in a city like London? Yes, we do, in our own simple and beautiful way. For those who don't know about the Vasant Panchami or Saraswati Puja, Vasant means spring, a season of new beginnings, learning, and creativity. Goddess Saraswati is worshipped as the symbol of knowledge. She represents knowledge, wisdom, music or arts, learning or creativity. That's why students, teachers, artists, and musicians celebrate this day with special devotion. Celebrated differently across India, West Bengal or Assam, grand Saraswati Puja celebrations. Punjab or Haryana, kite flying. South India, beginning of learning and arts. Bihar or up, special prayers in schools and colleges. Books and instruments are worshipped on Saraswati Puja. Books, pens, musical instruments are placed near the idol and worshipped. Many people avoid studying on this day as a mark of respect to knowledge itself. We are heading to a place where entry is completely free for everyone. You don't need to be a member to attend. Anyone can come, experience the culture, and enjoy food in the form of prasad, all for free. If you wish, you can donate, but it's not mandatory at all. We've been in London for 3 months now, and honestly, we haven't needed cash because everything here is digital. But since we plan to donate today, we are withdrawing a little cash before catching the bus, only for the donation. One interesting thing here is that you can live track the bus timings and even see the next 10 upcoming buses, which makes traveling so convenient. As soon as we reach the venue, we see young children who have just started learning how to write, offering their first written letters to Goddess Saraswati. This is a very important ritual in Bengali culture. I learn about it today itself, because I am from North India, where Saraswati Puja usually happens only in schools. After that, we offer Anjali to Ma Saraswati, where flowers are given, mantras are chanted, and everything is offered with devotion. Then we donate according to our faith and capacity, and later we enjoy the prasad. You can notice that most of the children are dressed in yellow, because yellow has a special importance on this day. It symbolizes energy, positivity, prosperity, and the blooming mustard fields of spring. That's why you see people wearing yellow outfits and offering yellow sweets like kesari halwa and bundi. After the prayers, there are some fun games and activities organized here. First, the kids get a chance to play, and you can see how excited they are, followed by prize distribution for them. Then it's the adults' turn to join in the games, and yes, the winners take home prizes too. On this auspicious day of Vasant Panchami, we wish you a year filled with happiness, knowledge, wisdom, and new beginnings. May Ma Saraswati bless you with creativity and positivity always. After spending some peaceful and joyful moments here, we finally head back home with a full and happy heart. Bye bye, see you again.